Now let's move on to Market Watch, where today we're going to explore luxury accessories for your very economy phone. Okay, I mean for any kind of phone, right? So luxury accessories to make your phone even more luxurious.
Welcome to a brand new edition of Market Watch. Now in my hands are earplugs. And they're no ordinary earplugs. As you can see, these are Ferrari earplugs and they cost more than 10,000 rupees. Yes, you heard that right, 10,000 rupees. Now, if you're asking who buys these earplugs, well, there are some people who do. So this gave us an idea on Market Watch. Why not go out in the market and explore some accessories with heavy-duty price tags? Let's go. If you've got about 3,000 to 6,000 rupees spare lying about, you can buy these power banks from Ferrari and these case covers that also double up as a power bank from Ferrari.
When one talks about luxury brands, the name Ferrari is a no-brainer. One would see the logo stamped onto jackets, caps, bags, shoes. Now it's tech. Sample Ferrari's in-ear headset. Anti-tangle cable, looks swanky, even comes with a storage bag. But the quality of sound, not so great. Moving on to something that are these power packs. There are plain ones with a case and the car charger. With 3000 mAh power and 1-year warranty, priced between 3,000 to 6,500, it seems to have quite a few takers.
Normally, people prefer to buy a power case other than the normal because the smartphones have dumb batteries. So it adds a 125% extra battery to your phone and it also looks like a very beautiful case. So I think on an average, I'll tell you, on a monthly basis, we sell around 50 to 60 cases just for iPhone 5, the power packs. The other ones are also not included in this.
Next on the list were crystal cases, and not just any.
Meet the Swarovski crystal case. Now all of these cases here are actually made out of original Swarovski crystals and they're pasted onto the case with a technique called paving.
Priced at about 6,500, each case has been handmade with a highly skilled technique of setting known as paving. I guess that justifies the price tag. So what about the sales, we asked?
People are affording it because they are buying a 50,000 rupees phone, so they can afford a 6,000 rupees case as well. Crystal cases around 30 to 40 every month from one store.
Unfortunately, we could only find iPhone 5s Swarovski cases. A word of caution for those looking to buy. Keep it away from water.
This right here is a miniature Citroen. It is not a toy car, it is actually a Bluetooth speaker.
We saved the best for last. This 5,000 rupees Citroen car with blinking headlights stole my heart. The Bluetooth speaker's sound quality was very good. The antenna caught radio signals.
There's a 3.5mm jack for a headset. There is a USB drive. There is a memory card slot. And this is your charging cable slot.
It was chic, the finish was impressive, and the pinch in the pocket would not hurt so much. No wonder
the cars are like huge. People are liking it very much. The Citroen, especially the Citroen, people are liking very much. So I think if I tell you about last month, it was around 150 plus cars we sold.
This was just the tip of the iceberg. The demand for high-end accessories that are branded and fashionable is on the rise. Unfortunately for your pocket, I have to say this trend is not going to go anywhere anytime soon. That's a wrap from us. We will see you next time.